Many people today look for easy ways to make extra money. There are many ways to make money online, whether you want to add to your monthly income or start a new career. In this video, we'll talk about short-term and long-term ways to make money using digital resources. Find what works best for you based on your time and what you need. Let's get started. Number 5. Create a newsletter. By 2025, 4.6 billion people are expected to use email worldwide. Consumers spend a lot of time daily in their mailboxes, either for work or personal reasons. Consumers trust this channel more and more for everything from talking to coworkers to looking for sales or new content. Suppose you like writing content and have a lot of knowledge or interest in a particular area. You can start your newsletter and make money by building a premium subscription with exclusive content. Exploding Topics and The Motley Fool are both great places to get ideas. You can start small by sharing a landing page on your social platforms to slowly build an audience. Once you have more followers, you can buy a website and try to get your biggest fans to upgrade to a paid plan. Tell them all the good things that will happen if they do that and try to live up to their expectations. To start making newsletters and keeping track of your audience, you need a scalable email marketing solution with features that are easy to use and a price that only goes up as your audience and income grow. Number 4, become an influencer. If you like social media and post content often, you should level up your social profiles like on Instagram or TikTok. If you focus on a niche market such as education or travel, you can create more specific content and target particular people by addressing their pain points. Even though this is one of the most creative ways to make money online and turn it into a business, it will take time to see results. Also, some markets have a lot of competition, so you should do your research first. Number 3, sell on marketplaces. You can sell things on online markets, but be careful. Selling sites can be a great way to start a business, but the current marketplaces are like a deal with FOST. You can reach customers if you build your business on someone else's land. Their land and their rules, and they can change them whenever they want. Some well-known markets are Etsy, Amazon, eBay Shandshake, Mercado Libre Rakuten, Facebook Marketplace, Verigosale. Eventually, you'll want to build your site to give your business more options. You don't have to choose between the two. The most significant benefit is that you get to keep all the money you make. There are no sales fees to pay and no rules to follow except your own. Number 2, sell your creative work. Creators can sell their work online more efficiently than ever. You can set up a digital shop and sell almost anything like music, videos, digital art, photography, magazines, or podcasts. Even though selling creative work sounds like selling digital products, your products are more creative ventures. They are a way to show who you are online instead of meeting the needs of a buyer. Creators and artists who network or connections with galleries and PR need can now make money doing what they love online. Number 1, build a membership site. You can make subscription plans if you already have a blog or website with many resources like articles and how-to guides. Make unique content for customers or subscribers who stick with you, and you'll make extra money. How can you make content for this purpose? Ebooks, infographics, and newsletters only for your customers are all great choices. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.